Hey guys, today we're gonna show you how to hook up an Equipter RB4000. All right, so first we have the RB4000 in front of us right here. We have the on and off switch up here, and most times on a cool morning or whenever it's been sitting for a while, put your hand in here and toggle the choke over to the left, hit the on button. Once it's running, you toggle the switch back to the right. Here's your outriggers. Two front ones. These two are for the back. Disengage the park brakes. This is a very important part of the parking. Release this to move. Here is the forward and the reverse lever. Forward and reverse. Here's your steering. Move it forward. Line it up with your truck. Drive it forward to where your hitch is on top of the ball. When you're ready to hook it up to the truck, you put the one hand on the wheel lever and the other hand on the red handle down below. It's going to have some tension on it sometimes. Just move the lever switch up top and pull out the red lever down below. Once that's released, lower the front end of the buggy onto the hitch. Let go of the red handle. When the wheels are far enough up, the red lever will pop back in, and it secures two small wheels from coming down while you're towing the buggy to the job site. After that, you make sure all your outriggers are in position to tow. The boxes, everything is in place. You fold up the operating stand, just turn your engine to off. And here's a trailer plug. That's for the lights. Your pin, safety pin for the hitch. And these are your safety chains. Make sure they're all secured in place. And your trailer emergency brake is also hooked up. Thank you guys for watching.